Hello mga ka-bloopers! Thank you for joining us today. This is Pao. Ito po yung aking tutorial para sa primer natin. This is a very easy thing to do.
Bloopers vlogs EX.
Yung maganda dito kasi sa primer natin, or our basic primer is, mas makakatipid kayo and whatever type of makeup na ginagamit ninyo, whether it be sa fake makeup or an original type of makeup, gagana pa rin siya. Ang pinakamaganda nga lang kasi na effect nito, usually kasi kapag ginagamit natin ng fake makeup, hindi kumakapit yung pigment niya or yung powder na ginagamit natin, like sa eyeshadow or yung ibang mga foundation, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Number 2, nakakatakot minsan kasi yung mga chemicals, hindi natin alam kung anong nakalagay doon. So, for your safety, maganda yung gagawin natin. Now, in any point of this video, pwede nyo kasing dagdagan ang recipe na to. This is the base recipe. So, pinaka-basic na recipe to. Kapag may gusto kayong dagdag dyan, on top of it, you can add little amounts of it para mas depende yan sa sa skin type ninyo. If you're oily, if you're dry, but either way, whether you're dry or oily, it's still gonna help big time. Alright, so here we go. Let's start. Unang-unang thing na kailangan ninyo here would be water. You will need glycerin here. Ganito, spray bottle, madami kayo mabibili dito. Divisoria, SM, if you can't go to Divisoria or Quiapo or wherever, SM would have something like this. Any spray bottle, kahit sa mga Daiso. And that's it. That's really it. Now, you're gonna ask me, I'm sure, Pao, nakakatakot naman siguro yung glycerin. Is it safe for our skin? Number 1 po, glycerin is natural. Hindi siya nakakatakot sa balat. In fact, a lot of the makeup companies use glycerin pa rin on their products. So, it's really there. You can add witch hazel if you wish. Kasi kung prone kayo sa, let's say, sa acne or you have acne, mga pimples, ganyan, you can put a little bit of witch hazel on your on this base formula. Ano yung 1 part? Mami, maguluhan kayo. Okay, here, meron akong baso, meron akong glass dito, which is wala siyang laman. I have one with the glycerin and one with the water here. Now, all we have to do is very simple lang. 1 part, okay, so meron akong kutsarita. I have a standard spoon. All you need to do is get 1 part of the glycerin. Mind you nga pala guys, ang glycerin nabibili yan sa mga grocery like SM Hypermarket, yan. Rustans, yan. Okay. For witch hazel, I would advise you to look for that sa healthy options. They have that there. Witch hazel. That is the best place that you'll find it. So, here, 1 part. So, 1 teaspoon lang. Continue tayo. This is 3 parts water. Here. 1, 2, 3. Mix natin. So, as you can see, it's liquid na guys. Liquid na siya. Yung glycerin kasi, it locks in moisture on your face. So, it's really gonna keep the moisture in. It's gonna lock it in. So, whatever makeup that you put on top of it also, na-enhance din siya. Alright? So, let's put our mixture sa loob ng container natin. Let's put it in. Alright. So, that's good to go. Ayan, maganda yung coverage nito kasi spread talaga siya. Again, as you can see, I did put on makeup and I did use our primer from our tutorial. I do hope malaking tulong yun sa inyo lahat. And if you'd like more DIYs, well, like something like this, do let us know. Write down there the comment. Share, subscribe, let us know. Peace.